welcome to Fluid Art by Christine. So I have a 10 by 10 little gallery wrapped here. I'm going to attempt to do a Dutch pour. And I got my white. I'm going to go ahead and cover my canvas. I want to make sure I have a good thick coat. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little more on since I spread it out with my fingers. I've got light olive green, deep magenta, basics cadmium orange, and I've got some teal, turquoise, phthalo blue. Yeah, this is phthalo blue. I'm going to start with my phthalo blue. I'm just going to do a puddle. This is pretty runny. It is a 7-to-1 mix of Floetrol to paint. Cool. Okay, I don't like that. Okay, this time I'm going to go ahead and start with the pink down first. Start it and end it with pink. See how that goes. Nice. I like that much better. Just have to check my sides. Very nice. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up now. Okay, everyone. So here it is. It's really cool. That outer edge here, when it dries, is going to be very faint. So we'll see how that looks after it dries. I'll be sure to show you guys, but look at that edge. Yay! And there's a nice edge there. Really pretty. I like it. Hope you guys do too, and I will see you guys next time. Happy pouring! Hi everyone, so it's all dry now. I thought I'd give you guys a quick close-up of it dry, and it dried really well. It still has some really nice wispies. They didn't lighten up too much. They certainly didn't disappear. Got that nice edge still there. A little bit of an edge there. Really cute. I like it. And since I have you guys here, I thought I'd give you an update on the turtle. And there it is. Mr. Turtle's all finished. Here's a little close up. And you can see that I colored the green in the same pattern as the wave for his shell. And I like it. Another one. Look at his head. Pretty cool. I'll put some resin on it. Put some resin on that one. Gotta put some resin on that one. I got some resin work behind me, in front of me. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Bye now.